Hello friends, in today's video we will see how we can install AWS module on Linux machine on PowerShell core. So let's get started. I am using Mint version of Linux and I have PowerShell installed. PowerShell core 6.1.1. Now to install, okay, so first let me get you the list. So I have only these many modules installed. So now let's install AWS module. So this is a command. You can change it here, the scope of installation, set it to the current user or allow cobbler, that is for all the users. So this downloads the AWS module from repository, Microsoft repository. So that's the reason it's giving this prompt. So I'll press A to set the repository to PS gallery. Now it has started downloading module. It has finished installation. Let's check now. Now we can see the module name PowerShell, AWS PowerShell at core installed. So friends, in this way you can install the AWS module and then you can connect your machine to AWS account. So I'll show you that connection and configuration on next video. So do subscribe, and if you have any concern or thing, you can comment on this video. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.